Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I am taking you on a journey through the beautiful hill station of Mahabaleshwar. This place is known for its stunning viewpoints, lush greeneries and cool climate. Let's explore some of the must visit points together. So let's go. This is the Veena Lake which we are supposed to visit, not today, some other days. On our entire way there was numerous plant nurseries. Our first stop is to this family restaurant for breakfast. Hello everyone, so this is our second day at Mahabaleshwar and right now we have stopped here for breakfast, and after breakfast we will go to our destination. There are some points they are going to show us. Our first stop is this Parsi point. It's extremely amazing and it's kind of a picnic spot where you can see the valley and the Krishna river sparkling water. It's very popular spot and the cool breeze and stunning landscape makes it must visit for anyone coming to Mahabaleshwar. Now let's visit one of the most famous Panchgani hill station close to the Mahabaleshwar. Usually taxi will drop you at the tableland. There only you will find so many horse riders. They will give free demo from taxi dropping point to here. And exactly same distance they are gonna cover further. The horse riding cost us 2500 per person. However, I advise you not to take it because all the points are quite near and you can go on foot. Horse riding is kind of a scam here as they promise us to show 9-10 points, however they all look similar. Let's check out some of the top points you can visit. This point is known as Pando's footprint. You don't need usually any guide to explain everything because horse rider will explain each and every spot nicely. Panchgani has been a popular location for Bollywood film shoots due to its scenic beauty and unique landscape. Some movies are like Raja Hindustani, Tare Zameen Par, Mela, etc. have been shot here. You can see Sydney Points, Parsi Points, Tableland, Devil's Kitchen, Pando's Footprint, Kate Point, etc. from here. In the left side you can see a stone marking that will provide you a guidance to visit on foot for each and every point. This small pond became popular when Bajirao Mastani movie was shot here. This is Tiger Cape Point, which is very popular in Panchgani, known for its scenic beauty and unique rock formations that resembles tiger claws. The point offers breathtaking views from the surrounding valleys and dense forest. It can be a favorite spot for nature lovers and photographers. Adjacent to it, there is a cozy restaurant that offers a great dining experience. So whenever you are visiting here, you can buy something and have it by having this amazing scenery. I really love the table chair design here, made by wood and rock. It's really innovative and unique. They didn't show us one more point and dropped us here only because they said that point they are not covering in this. This store was also counted as 1 point. However, we got nice chikki and some jelly from here. Our next stop is Mapro Garden. It's a very popular tourist spot known for its lush strawberry farms and delightful fruit-based products. Visitors can enjoy freely made strawberry shakes, ice creams and sandwiches while exploring the beautiful garden. This garden was extremely amazing and we clicked a lot of pictures and we had lots of fun. Next is this wax museum, which offers 3 different things: wax museum, aquarium and a 9D cinema hall. So we are gonna buy the 3 combo tickets. Let's first visit the aquarium. You have to show your entry tickets here and then go inside. This fish aquarium was very clean and very nice structured, and there were so many people who were trying to help us to showcase all the fishes nicely. There were amazing variety of exotic and colorful fishes. Next, we have this wax museum featuring lifelike wax statues of famous personalities, and we enjoyed a lot, especially by seeing SRK's statue for my favorite, Iron Man Vansika's favorite, and Ronaldo for Rudwai's favorite. We all found our favorite one in this wax museum. Finally, we are going ahead for the 9D cinema hall that offers an immersive movie experience with advanced technology that engages all your senses. Outside the museum, you can have an accelerating go-kart racing experience. This can be done by adult or a child. This cost us approx 700 per person. After covering all these points, we went for the lunch. Lunch was quite good. Our first stop is Arthur's Seat. This viewpoint offers breathtaking views of the valleys and the Savitri River. It's often called the Queen of all points because of its scenic beauty. Check out Elephant's Head Point. This place gets its name because of the rock formation here looks like an elephant's head and trunk. Going ahead, there are few more points like Kate's Point, Wilson Point, Savitri Point, etc., which looks almost similar. However, all the points is having breathtaking views of the valley and the river. Next, we are at Kate's Point. From here, you can see the Krishna Valley and the Dhoom Dam. It's a perfect spot for some amazing pictures and to just soak in the beauty of nature. Next, we went to a strawberry farm. It was very small. And we had amazing strawberry and mulberry cream. It was delicious. After that, we visited 4 temples: Atibaleshwar, Mahabaleshwar, Panchganga and Krishnamai temple. They all are together, and one by one we went inside, and there was one way to come out after visiting all the temples together. And it was an amazing experience. In our next stop, we are gonna cover 5 to 6 points together, starting from the Arthur's Point. Here, all the points are together in this mountain area. There are so many snacks items if you are hungry because it's a whole day travel. Our first point is Echo Point. As the name suggested, this point is known for its echo phenomena. We enjoyed a lot by making sounds. We reached here in the evening time, so we were able to see the sunset. We were flabbergasted by seeing this mesmerizing beauty of sunset. From these points, you can see almost all the earlier points like Savitri River, Arthur's Point, Pratapgarh Fort, etc. Next, we have this Tiger Spring Point, where there is a source of natural water. Earlier, animals used to come here to drink water. That's why it is also very popular. In this entire mountain region, there were so many points that we couldn't reach out, and we left in the middle. All the viewpoints are awesome, and we get the breathtaking views from the valley to this mountain area. And the greeneries are awesome. And you have to be careful also while walking. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this amazing spots with us. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite spot, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.